again, as per usual, 2 layers. The moisture layer, glove, and then the extra protection layer. So I gotta remove the area right near this wood, just as much as now the wood takes, so that we can put the already cut wood right near it. And there's a lot of snow. Quickly it's getting warm, although it's -5 right now. Here's gonna be my cutting platform, roughly. So yeah, I'm thinking I'll put a few logs under the logs I'm cutting. Maybe not even. So that's gonna be my first serious use of a chainsaw. I've bought this one, Chinese chainsaw, although it's named NAC, which is supposed to mean North American company. But I'm pretty sure it's Chinesium, which means it's the best, right? This one costed me a little over $100 USD, but it's pretty strong. To my standards, it's over 2 horsepower, so I think, let's see how it will do, you know? We got quite a bit of wood here. In order to start it first time, especially in this cold, you turn on the extra fuel right here. You just pull, turn this thing on, then we try to start it. Current technique is we chop the wood just initially, then I flip it to finish the job. And if I would have cut it all the way through immediately, I would have touched the ground, and I want to avoid that, so our chain stays sharp. This size of logs. Oh. Looks like we're out of gas. This bad boy drinks a lot. Let's juice this boy up. try to use leverage. We have had to go to the garage to tension the belt as it's became loose. So it uses the oil to lubricate the chain. I thought we were gonna do all the 3 meters, but we did about 1/4 for the finish of today. Cutting some of the old logs that are dry here. I hope they don't have nails in them. That's it for today. We finished this before the dawn, thanks to my brother. See you later.